Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Student, uh, in your science, I have completed the all topics of chapter number 4. What the name of chapter? Matter and its states. Matter and its states. So student, I have completed the last topic, the the behavior of matter. So student, today I will discuss the exercises of this chapter. So open your science book, take the pencil, eraser, sharpener, and open also fair copy or rough copy. You keep this and pen. Okay student, let us study about the exercises of the chapter number 4. Okay, so open student your book. Twenty-two August 20 class 8 subject science. This topic is TXCR exercises of chapter 4. Write down matter and its states. Okay. So student, when you write down the question answer and other exercise in your fair copy, first of all the mention the date, today's date, and write down the chapter name. Don't write exercise off. Write only chapter number 4 and name of the chapter, matter and its states. Okay. Now student, in previous classes I have explained the states of matter and the behavior of matter. There is very minute difference in between them. What is different? Listen very carefully. States of matter means the one states of matter change into the another states of matter by heating or cooling. By heating, the speed, the vibration of matter, the speed and vibration of the molecules or particles in the particular matter is increase. On cooling, speed of particles is going to decreases and change from one state to the another states. Changes from one state to the another states. This is generally physical changes. It is generally done by the evaporation, condensation, melting or freezing. And what is the behavior of matter? Behavior, you know student, all matters are made up of the small particles called molecules. So behavior means when a matter means states of matter, whatever solid, liquid or gas, are going to expand or contracts on cooling or heating. You know student, on cooling the solid part is expanded. On heating solid particles get expanded, and on cooling particles get closer to it. So that is means contract. So there is no changing of states from one state to the another states, means solid to the liquid. Only all states of matter, solid, liquid or gas, will expand or contract according to the factor, whatever the heating or cooling. When heat, the solid liquid gas expanded. On cool, the solid liquid gases get contract. So student, concept, clear your concept. Okay. Now student, I am going to solve some exercises. So I am also taking the book for the reading and explanation of the question. There is a one concept check is not completed in your textbook. So get ready to write down the answer in the direct in the book. Don't write in the homework copy or fear copy. Direct in the book. So write down with the help of pencil in the book. Concept check. Page number 46. Answer number first. A change in which no new substance is formed is called. Student, a new substance is formed in the chemical change, which is cannot carried out in reverse and cannot found in the original shape. And the property is also different from the original. So a change in which no new substance is found, this is called physical change. So answer, your option is B. Option is B is correct. PHY, physical change. Second, the increase in size of a substance on heating is called. I have already discussed this. On heating, the increase in size means expand. So the increase in size of substance on heating is called contraction, not true. Alternation is wrong. Expansion is true, and relaxation is also wrong. So expansion. Answer number C. Expansion. I am going to read question number 3. A chemical change among the following is: rusting of fire is a chemical change. Okay. Tearing of paper is a physical because no new substance is found. Melting of wax is also physical change. You can find again the melting wax. And breaking of glass is a physical change. No new substance is found. So rusting of iron is a chemical change. Third, A. Rusting of iron. Okay. Answer number 4. An irreversible change among the following is: irreversible change, that is means cannot carried out in the reverse. That is also called the chemical change. So growth of a plant is a chemical change, means this is not a reversible change. It is an irreversible change. Boiling of water is a physical. Drying of cloth is physical change. Melting of ice physical change. So correct answer is A. Growth of a plant. Correct answer is growth of a plant. Student, are plants growth from a seed? Okay, so we cannot found again the seed when once a seed grow in the soil. So write down, correct this option in your book direct. And listen student, before the starting the question answer in your fair copy, not in the book, you should write down the key terms which is given in your chapter. This is the key terms. So in future we will I would like to ask these types of question definition in your test. So learn the matter, volume, mass, contraction, extension, immiscible liquid, miscible liquid. This is the tip on your mouth. So write down these key terms in your chapter. So you should mention first the chapter or name the chapter and date, then after it you should write down the key terms, then start the question answer. Now I am going to erase this, rub this concept check, page number 46. I am going to start the exercises of page number 48. Choose the correct answer first. Choose the correct answer. Student, tick the correct answer direct in the book with the help of pencil. So answer number 1. Questions. The process of converting a substances from solid to liquid is called solid to liquid. Suppose ice, when ice heated it convert into the liquid. So ice melt into the liquid. So your option is what? Melting is correct, freezing is not correct, condensation not correct, evaporation is also not correct. Also, so the correct option is, correct answer is melting. A. I am not going to write the sentence. A. Your option is A. Answer number 2. Which of the following is as an example of solid state of matter? Student, solid state means chair solid, milk liquid, oxygen gas, and water already a liquid. So solid state only chair. Option number A. Answer number 3. Right. Some bigger. Answer number 3. The decreasing in size of matter on cooling is called. This is the behavior of matter. On cooling, all matters get compact to each other, means contract, decreases in size. So answer will be contraction is true, expansion is not true, evaporation is not true, condensation is not true. So decreases in size on matter on cooling is called contraction. A. Answer number 4. Which of the following is a chemical change? Student, chemical change are that change which cannot carried out in the reverse direction, reverse form, reverse state, and a new substance is formed with the different properties. So which of the following is a chemical change? Tearing. Tearing, melting, aging, freezing. Tearing is breaking of any substance, is not a chemical change. Melting is a physical change. Aging is a chemical, and freezing is a physical change. So aging is the true answer. Fourth answer is C. This is growing of phase which cannot come back once again in the its original position. Now answer number 5, last. I am going to read the question. On cooling a substance, the speed of its particle. On cooling, speed of particle get what? Decreases. On heating, all the particles of the matter get increases. So answer will be decreases is 2. Increases not correct. Remains same not correct. Become 0 not correct. So answer is A also. A is the correct option. Write down in your textbook. Now student, I am going to read and explain the point second question answer, fill in the blanks. Student, I am going to rub this. Fill in the blanks second. Fill in the blanks first. Fill with the help of pencil in the book. There is a very dash force of attraction between the particles of gases. There is a dash force of attraction between the particles of gases. You know student, force of attraction between the matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In the gas, the force of attraction is very weak. So write down the complete sentence, that is very weak. Very weak. Now write down answer number 2. Very weak. Second, a solid changes into dash on heating because of dash movement of its particles. Student, all matters are made up of the molecules. So solid change into a what on heating? When solid, suppose ice change into the water on heating, water that is the form of liquid. So fill the correct word is a solid change into a liquid. In first and second, on because of increases of, because you know particles, speed of particle get increases. So fill the correct INCREA, increases, movement of, increases of movement of, increase of movement of its particles. Okay, write down increases and next your whole sentence. Write down the whole sentence. In first liquid and second is increases. And answer number 3. I am going to read the question. Dash is insoluble in water. There are so many things which is not soluble in water. You know, sand, chalk, powder, sawdust, dust, straw. It is not soluble in water. So write down any one. So you can write down only one: sand. Sand is not soluble in water. You cannot write down the solid because the sugar and salt, this is a solid state of matter. This will soluble, but sand, sawdust, dust, and pebbles. This is not soluble in water. Answer number 4. Melting of ice cream is a change. So physical change and chemical change. Physical change are that change which carried out in the reverse direction. So melting of ice is a physical change. Not a chemical. Chemical means new substances is formed with the different properties. So you will fill the PHYSI physical and write down the last answer number 5. Chemical change are generally irreversible. 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 Write down irreversible change. irreversible. Irreversible. So write it in your book. Write down, student. Student, the next point is true and false. Next point is true and false. So this question and the next question I will discuss in your next period. So student, learn the today's exercise, concept check, fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. Okay student, this is very important for your unit test or revision test, because present time we are going to take the MCQs type the questions. If there is no MCQs, we will make the MCQs on the basis of your topics, concepts. So learn this at your home. So write down today's homework, student. I hope you will all write down in your book. Learn today's online classwork. Okay, this is understood. Today what I am going to teach you: concept check, page number 46, and filling blanks and tick the correct option. 3 exercise, 3 types of the exercise. Okay student, learn this very carefully. Only question answer. Thank you student for your cooperating to me. Class is over. Have a nice day. Thank you student.